Alright, so we're going to install these Doogo premium leather seat covers on this 2017 Nissan Frontier. You want to start with the headrest, it's the easiest thing, then you set that aside. Next, you install 3 of these chucks right along the bottom of the seat backing, just like so. Should look like that. Then next, you want to get the seat backing part of it, put it on there snug. Next up, you have the buttons up on the top where the headrest goes. Make sure those are clicked in. Next up, you want to fish the 3 chucks all the way to the back, and then you loop the outer straps onto the chucks so that they're secure on there. And then lastly, you want to go ahead and push the headrest down, and you should be good. Should look something like this. And then now we go to the seat cushion. First thing to do is to add these 2 hooks, just like so. And then you want to fish the clips all the way through the back, just like that. And then clip it around the seat itself. Do the same for the other side, and that is not going anywhere. That should be good. Should look like that. And now the last thing to do is get those hooks that you installed and clip it onto the bottom bar, just like so. And it should look something like this. And it's pretty cool. It comes with the pocket in the back. And now you repeat the same for the driver's side. Your interior should look fresh, just like so. So this is part 2 of the Doogo seat cover install. After finishing the front, you're now ready for the back seats. So for the back, there are a total of 7 pieces right here. Here's the seat backing for the passenger side. Go ahead and install those 2 chucks, 2 on each side, and then 1 for the centerpiece right there. And don't forget that hook on the bottom. All in all, you'll be using 5 chucks and 1 hook for the back seats. Start off with the seat cushion, put that on the passenger side. We're gonna be fishing these 2 clips all the way through the back. Next up, we lift up the seat, and then we click 1, and then the second one, fish it through the strap. Click that on there as well. Seat cushion is done. Repeat that for the other side. Next up, we want the centerpiece. Take that chuck, fish it all the way through the back like you did the first time. And then that hook that we installed in the first step, hook it to the bottom. Anywhere there should be fine. Next up, we got the seat backing. Unzip that, lift up the back seat. Install that headrest like so. After you get that installed, you make sure that it's zipped up. Loop the headrest back, and then you're going to want to hook it to the posts of the headrest themselves. And just like so, you have yourself a complete headrest. Next up, take the chucks and push it through the back, straighten it out, and then you have yourself the completed back seats. Repeat those same steps for the other side. And since this truck does not have a headrest, we're not going to be using this piece right here. Instead, we take the seat backing centerpiece, lift up the sides, and make sure that the Velcro sticks on there. And after some minor adjustments, this is what the back seat should look like. And just like that, you have some Doogo seat covers installed on your 2017 Nissan Frontier.